quick trade recap. Biases were bearish. Right. Coming into session, we had this bullish change of character on 4 hour, but that was just a sweep. Hourly was bullish. 30 was bearish. And 15 was bearish as well. But I got into a position, but I fucked it up because yeah, I just did. I entered with way too many contracts, so I just got out of break even. It was like here, off this 1 minute. Goddamn, I wish I had a fucking rectangle. Shorted here with way too many contracts. Would have been stopped out anyways, so yeah. But I was bearish, and then as price was coming down, we had sweep of bottom side. This was a good sweep. And it was a really good sweep on ES because it got a bunch of shit as well. And because bias was so finicky, this was actually kind of a accumulation, manipulation, distribution thing. Damn, that's what I should have been looking at it as. A power of 3 because it's so fucking sideways for that. It literally creates this range here. Like, it creates this little range. Then we manipulate to, well, we get the top side, but we get bottom side first. And then we turn bullish. Get a little run. This is way too late, so it would have been in this bit here. So let's see, because I was looking for shorts, so when we come up, we got a sweep of this little top side here, which obviously is shit. And then was initially looking for shorts from here, didn't get it. Then we got a resweep of the tops. 1 minute respected here. And then bearish, and I was trying to short from that shit. But we just had a nice sweep of bottom side. Obviously. About here. Then we got a stop loss hunt. What is it? What is it on ES? When does it happen? Yeah, right on it. Okay. So should have tried to been looking for longs from this. So what do we get? Oh yeah, literally sweep. 1 minute confirmation. That's really clean. NASDAQ, it's a bit weirder because it swept down here and there was no 1 minute here. There was no 5 minute either. On ES it's nice because ES is also the sweeping pair. ES is the one that does manipulate to the low at a better time than NASDAQ. We get 1 minute and then boom. Yeah, okay, so that was the position. We do get the manipulation to the top side as well, don't we? at midnight. And that's the one I was looking for. And as you can see, that works, but at a much later point. But is there a short from that? Top here, top there. Oh, it gets swept much later, 1 a.m. This one gets swept at like midnight. Yeah, see, this is the short that I was in from, but I was in on NAS. Obviously should have been the sweeping pair here. Because we get respect, short from here. And this is with bias as well. Short from here, target these lows. That's nice as. Okay. That should have been it with the bearish bias. Because it's the same shit. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, power 3. But it's with the bias. Sweep of top side. Tracement into 1 minute. Why did I not go for that? Why did I choose to take NASDAQ instead? If I had taken the same shit on ES, because it's the same candle. Oh, it's not the same candle, but it's the topmost for value on NASDAQ, and this is the topmost on ES. 1 minute earlier. I should have taken that shit. Because it slaps that. That's a sign to fucking get in. Yeah. That's the position there. Yeah, this was a power 3 session. Yeah, because normally it's either you get trending with bias or you get the power 3 session. This was kind of that. Yeah, that's that.